Python Graph Library. I'm writing a Python application that will make heavy use of a graph data structure. Nothing horribly complex, but I'm thinking some sort of graph/graph algorithms library would help me out. I've Googled around, but I don't find anything that particularly leaps out at me. Anyone have any good recommendations?
There are two excellent choices: NetworkX and iGraph. I like NetworkX, but I read good things about iGraph as well. I routinely use NetworkX with graphs with 1 million nodes with no problem. It's about double the overhead of addictive size V plus E. If you want a feature comparison, see this from the NetworkX discuss list. Feature comparison thread.
I would like to plug my own Graph Python library, GraphTool. It is very fast, since it is implemented in C++ with the Boost Graph library, and it contains lots of algorithms and extensive documentation.
Also, you might want to take a look at NetworkX.